Why do agents hate open houses so bad? I'll tell you why. Because nobody has ever taught them how to put together an effective strategy to truly make their open houses epic. The method I'm going to teach you is proven. I took what I've learned over almost the past 30 years from some of the biggest giants in this industry. I've put it together in a step-by-step 7-day program for about an hour, hour and a half a day, showing you what to do to make your open houses absolutely epic. Now, you don't even have to have a listing to make epic open house work for you. You can borrow somebody else's listing. This is one thing that I recommend to all new agents or agents that don't have any business right now. Let me show you how to do an epic open house. It'll cost you less than $200, and you can end up with a customer list like you've never seen before because it works.